Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, you guys want to check the volume levels in the settings. So we're going to open up the settings. Now here in the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and simply open up sound and vibration. Here we want to make sure that we have media turned all the way to the right, and your call volume should also be turned up, so you can call up a random number and increase it right here. Now once it is increased, you can just hang up. And what are we going to do next is we're going to make sure that our Bluetooth is disabled to ensure audio is not rerouted. So let's go over and open up our Bluetooth. Once we open up the Bluetooth, make sure that it is gray and it's not blue. So it's disabled now, and we want to clean the speaker grills. So there's a little one right here at the top, and there's also a little one here at the bottom. So I'm trying to put it like this. Here it is, and we want to make sure that we clean two of them. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and restart the phone. So press and hold the power button. Now tap restart and tap again to restart it. Now it is restarting to refresh the system, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what we're going to do is we're going to enter the password, and as a last resort, check for software updates to basically fix our speaker issue. So we're going to scroll down, go to system, now open up the system update. And now once we open up the system update, we go to online update, click continue. And as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It is very important because you can fix your speakers that are not working that way. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.